So my friends always say that I sound like Dora the Explorer and Elsa. So first I'm going to say Dora the Explorer. Hola, soy Dora. Look it up. Hola, soy Dora. So that is one. I did that twice. Let it go, and the lights like rainbow day. Let it go. Comment down below, do I have the voice or not? Comment down below. Love you guys.